So here's a quick video before and after of the water main we're going to run. We have to replace the water main from this meter underneath that walkway. It's got all these walls in the gardens, and we're going to aim for that window because that's where the water main enters. So I will show an after video of when we're done, but we're going to go underneath here, not busting up concrete. You can see these little garden walls they have. We're not going to disturb any of that. Our machines are going to dig underground till we get to that window. We may remove part of that bush. We still have to see, but you will notice when I'm done that we barely disturb the land. On Monday we're going to do this job, and I will show you what it looks like when we're done. No trenching, just underground horizontal boring. This is the after video. We are now done. We dug this up, connected, went underneath this walkway, had to do a little dirt work there, and then we headed straight for that window. You can see that we didn't disturb any of the retaining walls. The water main runs underneath here. The plants have not been affected at all. We didn't have to take out this bush. We took out this rose bush, but we put it back in again. And right here it ties in. So if we move back, you can see the finished product. 3 foot down is where the line is, and it runs all the way back right to that mailbox, and no sign that we did any work at all. This is a continuous roll of 250 psi, pound per square inch line that we ran underneath without any disturbance.